Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is SAR of sympathomimetic drugs. That is structural activity relationship of sympathomimetic drugs. Okay. So before this, the discussion of SAR of sympathomimetic drug, we should know about the sympathomimetic drugs and sympathomimetic nervous system. Okay. So, what is the sympathomimetic nervous system? Actually, sympathetic nervous system is an important regulator of the activities of the vital organ such as heart and peripheral vasculature, especially in response to stress. Okay, the effect of sympathetic stimulation is mediated by the release of norepinephrine from the nerve terminals that serve to activate the adrenoreceptors or postsympathetic sites. Also, in response in a variety of stimuli such as stress, the adrenal medulla release epinephrine and it is transported in the blood to the target tissue. That's why the drugs that mimic the action of sympathetic system are called sympathomimetic drugs. I repeat again, the drugs that mimic the action of sympathetic system are called sympathomimetic drugs, like cholinomimetic drugs. The sympathomimetics can be grouped by their mode of action and by the spectrum of receptor. So, some of drugs, for example, epinephrine, norepinephrine, act by a direct mode. That is, they indirect with and activate adrenoreceptors. Okay. These indirect agents may have either of the different mechanism. कौन कौन से mechanism है? Like number one is displacement of stored catecholamine from adrenergic nerve endings. For example, amphetamine and tyramine. Number two is by inhibition of reuptake of catecholamine already released. For example, cocaine. And number three is some drugs have both direct and indirect action. So, come to the main point, that is SAR. Most of the sympathomimetic drugs contain beta-phenyl ethylamine as parent structure. This is the structure of the sympathomimetic drugs which contain the beta-phenyl ethylamine. Okay. So number one is फिनाइल रिंग सब्सटीट्यूशन. आपको बता दूं कि सार का मतलब है कि जब भी किसी ड्रग के मेन जनरल स्ट्रक्चर में हम कहीं भी कोई सब्सटीट्यूट ऐड करते हैं या वहाँ से रिमूव करते हैं तो उसकी एक्टिविटी में कोई ना कोई चेंजेस आते हैं. दैट्स वाई द एक्टिविटी चेंजेस आ जाते हैं. तो इसलिए हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले नंबर वन, फिनाइल रिंग सब्सटीट्यूशन. नंबर वन, the substitution on the meta position. These are the positions meta, para and this one is meta position. This is the alpha position and this is the beta position of the ring, beta phenyl ethylamine ring. So beta phenyl ring substitution on the meta and para position of the aromatic ring and on the amino alpha and beta position of the ethylamine side chain influences the mechanism of sympathomimetic action and receptor selectivity of the drugs. ओके, इन पोजीशंस पर अगर कोई भी चेंजेस होता है तो वहाँ पर इसके मैकेनिज्म में इन्फ्लुएंसेस आएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज मैक्सिमल एक्टिविटी इज seen in beta phenylethylamine derivative containing hydroxyl group in the meta and para position of the aromatic ring and a beta hydroxyl group of the correct stereochemical configuration on the ethylamine portion of the molecules. Although the catecholamine moiety is an important structural feature to obtain maximal agonistic activity at adrenergic receptor, it can be replaced with other substituted phenyl moieties to provide selective adrenergic agonism. For example, replacement of the catechol function is isoproterenol with the resorcinol structure give the drug metaproterenol, which is a selective beta 2 receptor agonist. In other approaches, replacement of meta-hydroxyl of the catechol structure with the hydroxymethyl group afforded salbutamol with the show selectivity to the beta 2 receptor. Okay. The naturally occurring noradrenaline has 3,4 hydroxybenzene ring, that is catechol, okay, active at both alpha and beta receptors. This is a poor oral activity, this, okay, and because it is rapidly metabolized by COMT. What is the COMT? COMT is the catechol orthomethyl transferase enzyme. This is an enzyme, okay. The change in the substitution pattern 3,5-dihydroxy as a metaproterenol gives good oral activity. This is due to the resistance to metabolism by COMT enzyme. It also provides selectivity for beta 2 receptor. Now come to the second substitution at the nitrogen. Where is the nitrogen position? This one. Okay. This one is the nitrogen position. So at the substitution at nitrogen, amino group is phenylethylamine is important for the direct agonistic activity. Number 2 is the amino group should be separated from the aromatic ring by 2 carbon atom found among the potent direct acting agonistic. ठीक है. Next, primary and secondary amine are more potent direct acting agonistic than tertiary and tetraamine. Okay. Now come to the third point, that is substitution on the carbon side chain. Methyl or ethyl substitution on the alpha carbon of the ethylamine side chain reduces direct receptor agonist activity at both alpha and beta receptor. Importantly, an alpha alkyl group increases the duration of action of the phenylethylamine agonist by making the compound resistance to metabolic determination by MAO. And next one is alpha substitution also significantly affect receptor selectivity. Now the substitution at this one is at the alpha position. At the alpha position substitution. Another effect of alpha substitution is the introduction of a chiral center which has pronounced effect on the stereochemical requirements for the activity. This is the SAR of sympathomimetic drug. This is the activities which are enhanced by the beta phenylethylamine parent structure. This is a parent structure of the this